Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Building Smarter Agents. Planning and Reasoning. Imagine you want to build a program that doesn't just follow exact instructions but can actually figure things out and make its own decisions. That's what we mean by a smarter agent. Think of it like a personal assistant app that understands your goals, or a character in a game that seems to have its own plans. As developers, we're moving from just coding what to do, to coding systems that can decide how to achieve a goal. No prior AI knowledge needed, we'll build it up together. Most programs we write as developers use simple if-else statements. If, condition, do underscore this, else do underscore that, backquote. This works great for straightforward tasks. But what if the number of conditions is huge, are constantly changing? An agent controlling a self-driving car can't possibly have an if statement for every single possible road scenario. We need our agents to be more flexible, to adapt and make intelligent decisions in complex, unpredictable environments, instead of being stuck with only predefined rules. Imagine you're planning a trip. You don't just magically appear at your destination. You break it down. First, book tickets. Then, pack bags. Then, drive to the airport. This step-by-step approach to achieve a goal is exactly what planning means for an AI agent. For us developers, this means building systems that can take a high-level goal, like make coffee, and automatically generate a sequence of specific actions, like fill water, add coffee grounds, press start, to achieve that goal. From a developer's viewpoint, planning involves two key ideas. 1. States. Asterisk how we describe the current situation of the world. For a robot making coffee, a state might be coffee maker empty or water added . We represent these as variables or objects in our code. 2. Actions. The specific things an agent can do to change the state. For example, fill water, add grounds. Each action has preconditions. What must be true for it to happen, and effects, how it changes the state. Our code uses these to explore possible action sequences to reach a desired goal state. Planning tells an agent what to do, but reasoning helps it understand why and what if. It's the difference between blindly following a recipe and understanding why certain ingredients are used, or what might happen if you skip a step. Reasoning allows an agent to draw conclusions from information, predict consequences, or even figure out missing pieces of information. This is crucial for making truly smart choices, not just executing a pre-computed plan. As developers, we can implement different styles of reasoning. 1. Logical reasoning. This is like a set of if then rules, but much smarter. For example, if object is red and object is round, then object might be an apple. We define facts and rules, and the agent deduces new facts or confirms existing ones. 2. Reasoning with uncertainty. The real world isn't always black and white. If I go outside, there's an 80% chance of rain. Here, agents use probabilities to weigh different outcomes and make the best guess decision, often using mathematical models we provide. The real magic happens when planning and reasoning combine. An agent uses reasoning to understand its current situation, predict potential outcomes of actions, and resolve conflicts or ambiguities. Then, it uses planning to chart a course of action based on those insights. Think of a navigation app. It reasons about current traffic conditions and road closures, then plans the optimal route. This integration allows agents to be proactive, adaptive, and truly intelligent in dynamic environments. These concepts of planning and reasoning are fundamental to many exciting AI fields. Game AI, for characters that plan strategies and react intelligently to players. Robotics, for robots navigating and performing complex tasks in the physical world. Chatbots and virtual assistants, for understanding user intent and planning appropriate responses. As a developer, you can start exploring libraries for logical reasoning or planning algorithms in languages like Python. The key is to start thinking about states, actions, goals, and rules in your own projects. The world of building smarter AI is now open to you. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.